fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 3.34 inches. There were no heating degree days yesterday, and there were 8 cooling degree days yesterday.
Today is National Yellow Radio Day. This is the official start of hurricane season. Hurricanes, tornadoes, blizzards, fires, earthquakes, floods. This past month, tornadoes and storms ripped through the Midwest and East, leaving some 30 people dead. And EF3, almost a mile wide, cut a path through North St. Louis, leaving a trail of destruction. The tornado warning sirens did not go off, as the person in charge of them was not at their post. So most had no warning. Are you prepared for an emergency? Have a happy National Yellow Radio Day.